So check it out. I've been working on trying to get more volume out of a Lionel Train sounds tender. I tried changing out the potentiometer, still didn't get it much more volume. So I started looking at the speaker, and I went through my spare parts box and tried some different speakers I bought off eBay, and I finally settled on one. It looks like this, and it's got really nice volume to it. It's got nice low end. The chuffing is a little deeper, which is great. And I don't know who the seller is that I got it from, but this is what it looks like. And it looks like that on the side and like this on the back. So I popped that in there and soldered it in. The only thing is the housing is a little different. It sits a little higher, so I can only get 2 screws to hold it in. I didn't want to modify the Lionel housing in case I ever come across a better speaker that fits in there better. But it's 50 millimeter, 8 ohm. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check out the chuffing. Here we go.
This is dispatch. We are dealing with a situation, engineer. Stand by for my signal. Copy that. Out.
As you can hear, the chuffing is a lot deeper. It's really nice. It's got a nice sound to it. And my 2035 is still running great. Just can't beat these old Lionel post-war behemoths. Put a rail sounds or train sounds tender up, hooked up to them, and now you got great running locomotive with great sound. Alright, so now I've got a lot more volume to it, sounding good. 2035 still running along good. So thanks again for watching. Don't be afraid to try some different things. If you try to get more volume out of these, I'm going to try continue to look for even better speakers than this one. But thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.